Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says an amoeba is a single-celled organism that weighs approximately 1.8 times 10 to the negative 2 grams. How much would 30 amoeba weigh? Well, first of all, I am going to change this number out of scientific notation just into a plain decimal. I can see that we're only dealing with to the negative second power, so I'm not going to have to move my decimal over too much. So in order to do that, all we do is write the first number in the number that's in scientific notation, and we take the exponent that the 10 is raised to, and we consider if it's negative or positive. Because this one is negative, I know that I'm going to move the decimal 2 spaces to the left because I'm talking about a number that is small, okay? So that means the decimal is going to go to the left. If the number was large, or meaning the exponent was positive, I would move the decimal to the right. So this number actually is the same thing as 0.018, okay? So this means I do not need to write it like this anymore. This is exactly equivalent to that. Now, because it's asking how much would 30 amoeba weigh, I know that I can just take this number that I just created, the 0.018, and multiply it by 30. So I've written my times 30 underneath, and now this is just a regular multiplying decimals problem. So I have my 0 for the whole first row, and then my second row I'm going to start with just that 1 0. And I know that's going to be 24. 3 plus the 2 is 5, and everything else here is going to be 0, so I'm just going to add it, and I'm left with 540. Then I'm going to put my decimal where it needs to be, and I can see that I have 1, 2, 3 spaces, so I start here to the right and I go in 1, 2, and 3. So it's 0.54, and that last 0 can stop. So the 0.54 is the answer of how much 30 amoeba would weigh written in decimal form. But if I wanted to write my answer in scientific notation the way the original weight was given, it would be 5.4 times 10 to the negative 1. So either the 5.4 times 10 to the negative 1 is acceptable, or the 0.54. Those two numbers have the exact same value. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to supereasymath.com, click on math videos, and you can see all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.